Research Naturel USA'da verdi. Yenka Kudlada, Achala Vichala, Boga, Kudlada Kuna, Mit Mas Moke Undu. Masa Jana Undu Mas Lede Mas Kriti Kortel. Yan Mundu Patada Yakshagana Anjane Portugal Bashe Aina Tulu Kalkondule East Bashe Aina Deva Terakada Manane Tikabu Pranda Yena Kapane. I have to switch to English because my Tulu is not fluent. But I want to express how happy and excited I am to be in Bangalore. I have been here for 5 months now, and every day I experience something new and exciting. When I first came, my friends made a list of everything they wanted me to try and see and eat, and we have almost gone through the list entirely, and I think that goes to show the excitement that my friends have to show me their culture and my excitement to take part in it. So I call my family and friends back in the US almost every day, and I tell them what I've tried. They're always very excited to hear about the events that I've attended, whether it's Kamba or Yakshagana, and they joke that I send them a lot of pictures of me eating food. I've tried idli and nirdosa, and my friends made sure that I tried the atti da kashya and the ganji recently. I'm often asked why I chose to come to Bangalore out of anywhere in India, and I think my answer changes every time I'm asked, and that's because there are so many reasons to love this city. I can tell from being here as well as seeing the news that there are incredible people that come from Bangalore, and they're accomplishing amazing things around India as well as the rest of the world. For me though, I think what I appreciate the most is how friendly and inviting everybody is. I'm always given encouragement, whether it's attempting to eat with my hands or saying the couple of Tulu words that I'm comfortable with. Bonjour, Adlamuji, Parpe, Oya. Even if it's a simple term, people are quick to tell me that they're happy I'm trying. And that's what I think has made Bangalore home for me. I was talking to a professor that I have in the US recently, and his family was originally from Bangalore. And he asked me what I was doing here, and I told him that in part I was trying to learn the language, I was trying to learn Tulu. And he told me that his parents knew it, but he had never learned. And he expressed his interest in me coming home and teaching him what I had learned. And I think that goes to show how amazing Tulu is that it has global recognition. People around the world know about it and are interested in learning it. From being here, I can tell that it has a rich history and that it's a beautiful language. And it's my hope that it will be added to the schedule and be recognized